Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to stake your cake token to earn ATA token. Okay, so make sure that you have cake token balance on your Trust Wallet account, and also you must have BSC BNB coin balance on your Trust Wallet account, because this coin will be used for every transaction that you are going to make in Trust Wallet account or in any decentralized exchange or any farming or staking platforms. Okay, so the next thing we will do is to click dApps button, this one, and we will look for pancakeswap.finance/pools. Okay, so click this link. Okay, we are now here in pancakeswap.finance/pools dashboard. If you do not have the website of pancakeswap.finance, just type pancakeswap.finance and click this button and go to pools, this button. Okay, so let's go back. And another thing is you need to connect your Trust Wallet account here and make sure that you choose Smart Chain Network, this button. Okay, Smart Chain, because PancakeSwap token is under Binance Smart Chain. Okay, as you can see, I already connected my Trust Wallet account in pancakeswap.finance. Okay, so next we will be looking for ATA token, this one. So the APR is 184.44%, and the maximum stake per user is 100K. Okay, so the next thing to do is to click enable. This is why we need extra BSC coin or Binance Smart Chain coin, because when we enable this staking program for ATA token, we need a transaction fee. Okay, click enable. So it needs 12 cents or $0.12 for this transaction. Click approve. We will wait for it to get approved. Okay, it's already approved. Then the next thing to do is to click stake, this button. And I have 44.2 cake token balance, so I will click max. So it's up to you guys, how many percents are you going to use for staking to earn ATA token. It's either you click 50% of your balance, 75% of your balance, or you will use maximum balance to stake to earn ATA token. Okay, so I will be using maximum balance. So I will click max, then click confirm. And we will be charged again another network fee. That's why I always remind you guys that when you do a transaction in PancakeSwap or in your Trust Wallet account, you must have extra Binance Smart Chain BNB coin to use it for every transaction. Okay, I will be charged $0.36 or 36 cents. Then click approve. Okay, we will wait. It's confirming. Okay, so cake stake is 44.28 cake token worth $762.53, and the APR is 184.84%. Okay, so ATA earn is showing here, and if you want to harvest the ATA you earn, just click this harvest button. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, click subscribe, click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you and have a good day.